back to Mirror and Thread. Okay, you guys, today I am addressing the thing that I probably get the most comments, questions, all the things about on my videos. So I am going to go over my top tip, the number one thing you need to know for foolproof fashion shopping on Walmart. So I get asked all the time in comments things like, hey, I don't see any of these items in store, and why do I not have this much success? And that looks so cute, I can't believe it's from Walmart. Where are you finding these things? So I'm going to tell you exactly how I shop at Walmart, and I have been shopping and doing Walmart hauls for years now. Say at this point, my closet is a solid 60 to 70% made up of only Walmart items, and I truly love them all. So I'm going to share my little tips and tricks here. So this video is sponsored by Walmart, so huge thanks to them, and I'm going to put everything that I specifically share in the video description, and then hopefully this will give you guys the tools to be a little bit more comfortable shopping with Walmart for fashion on your own as well. So we will get started. So the number one thing that you need to know is I do all of my Walmart shopping specifically for fashion online. So they have a much greater selection of things online. They have some brands that they carry online that they don't even carry in store. So that's my number one thing for this being more foolproof and getting the full array of what they have to offer. So my number two thing, this is the biggie, is that I really shop brand specific on Walmart.com. So if you don't know, Walmart has like a marketplace where they sell lots of other sellers and some other retailers, and they will sell their things on there as well. So if you just go in and search like shirt, women's shirt, you're going to get a ton of options in those searches. So my number one tip is to search specifically by brand, and these are Walmart specific brands, and that's how I get orders that I haven't sent something back to Walmart in so long. I have really loved everything that I have gotten. So that's how I do my foolproof shopping. So I'll share with you specifically what I mean and specifically what you can search for if you want to emulate these results. So my number one favorite brand personally that Walmart sells is Free Assembly. So this brand has just, I was trying to think back for all the orders that I've done multi-seasonally for them over the past several years. I don't know if I've ever gotten anything that was Free Assembly brand that I wasn't really excited about, that I didn't feel like was great quality and that it fit well and that I love to have in my closet. So those are huge things to me, and I just feel like the quality on this brand is so amazing. So it kind of, these are more like, I would say more wardrobe basic kind of things in Free Assembly, which is really my favorite kind of clothes. I like things that I can style a lot of different ways. These are things that just have they're a little bit more neutral typically. And the main thing about Free Assembly brand is that the quality is always 100, just so good. So I've gotten denim, they have really amazing denim shorts. If I'm ever going to buy any kind of denim of any kind, I usually do that specifically Free Assembly through Walmart. So I'm gonna run through a couple of my favorite items just so that you can kind of see what I'm talking about. If you're new to my channel or if it's been a while since you've watched a Walmart haul, then I will show you some of my faves. So this little set, this has actually been a bestseller for a couple of months running here on Mirror and Thread. And this is a little striped two-piece set. I have worn the heck out of this thing this summer. It's so comfortable. I am actually 24 weeks pregnant right now, so this is none of the things that I'm sharing are maternity specific, but in the videos you will see me at varying stages of pregnancy because some of these things I've had for quite a while. So these are like a nice high-waisted elastic short. This is kind of like a terry fabric, so it's really great for summer. It's great for sweating in, there being moisture. For some reason, having a toddler, I feel like I'm like outside getting wet all the time. We go to splash pads, she has a water table, and this is a great material for that as well, but super cute on. I love the detailing on this, and I get my true size in Free Assembly brand pretty much across the board. Since I'm pregnant right now, I kind of fluctuate a bit, but have the medium in this particular set, and I believe that these are both on major sale for I think $10 a piece right now. If you watched my latest Walmart haul, my summer haul, then you saw this dress on there. This is also from Free Assembly. Really great, classic, smocked dress. This is blue and white stripe. It does come in other colors. Love the midi length on this, and it's got slits on both sides. Again, with the Free Assembly brand, the quality is just so good. They nail it on the fit, and I really feel like you can purchase with confidence even if you're purchasing online. And I will tell you, some select stores do carry Free Assembly, or maybe all of them carry Free Assembly now. They still don't have quite the selection that they do online. So personally, I still like to look online, but if you ever see anything and you're shopping in store and you see the Free Assembly brand, try those on and just see what you think, or pick them up at least and feel of the quality of them. If you've never ordered from that brand before or seen that brand before, I think you'll be really, really impressed. I mentioned that their denim is super amazing, and this is a pair that I've had for several months. And actually the clip that I'm going to show you with me wearing them is obviously several months old, because these are not maternity and I cannot fit in these right now, but I'm so excited to wear them post-pregnancy again. So one of the huge things about denim, I'm really picky about the fit of denim and the quality of the fabric, especially when it comes to white jeans. These can be see-through and really just like kind of cheap looking very easily. So these are amazing, you guys. These aren't see-through at all. Like, this is a true good quality denim. This feels like a premium denim that you would get at a department store. I'm not kidding you. It's so, so good. These do come in a ton of other color options and washes too. I think they call this bone white, which is a little bit of like an off-white. And then they have this in several different fits. So they have skinny jean, where it's like skinny leg opening. These are the 90s straight jeans. So they have a little bit wider of an opening. This is a super popular fit right now. But again, this is something you can purchase with confidence, even online. Get your true size as you would in a pair of denim from a department store, and these will fit you perfectly. Last thing I want to call out for Free Assembly, I guess there's two things, and then I'm going to move into some of the other brands that I like to search. But this is a just simple cotton romper. This is another thing that I've worn a ton of. It's a similar fabric makeup to that first matching set that I was sharing. Even pregnant, I've been wearing this so much. There's nothing more comfortable than just like an easy one piece, throw it on and you're done kind of thing, especially in the heat of summer. This also doubles as a swim cover up really easily. It is that kind of terry cloth fabric, so it's great for the pool or the beach if you have something like that that you need it for. Really cute fit on this. They just get the details so right. I love the waistband. It's got the true drawstring here, the cut of the pockets on the front, and then just the cut of the romper itself. This is, again, something that can go really wrong in a hurry, especially if you're looking at some more affordable places to buy things. And this is just done really well. So they've got little slits on the sides. It's got stitching around the bottom, and just some of those items that are some of those details that really make it look a lot more expensive than it is. Also wanted to quickly mention the shirt that I'm wearing. This is actually a new Free Assembly find. I just got this in a couple of days ago, so you haven't seen this in any past videos, but great little button down. I think this would be so cute tucked in as a workwear option, especially for summer. The colors are really good for summer. It does come in some plain colors, and I believe maybe a blue and white stripe as well, but this one, really good quality, great fit on this, and I'm in the medium in this one. All right, the next brand I'm going to call out to you is called Scoop. This is a really fun brand as well. This is actually, I think, the first brand that I discovered on Walmart, and I was like, holy cow, where has this been? What have I been missing? This stuff is so cute. It's a little bit more on the trendy side than some of the Free Assembly things. I would say those are like your great wardrobe basics, things you're gonna wear tons. They do have some trendier pieces on Free Assembly as well. Scoop has lots of like bright colors, really fun dresses, and they are also my favorite to find accessories, bags, shoes, that kind of thing. I always look at Scoop brand. So here's a couple of examples of things I've recently purchased that were Scoop brand that I believe are still available online. So this is a midi dress, maxi dress. This is actually in my last Walmart haul as well. Really good quality. Again, with Scoop, I really have not had any fails with this brand either. The only thing with this one, like I said, versus the Free Assembly, is sometimes the things I get them in and they just I have trouble styling them because maybe they're like a really bright color or something, but you kind of know what you're getting when you purchase online. So that's kind of more a me issue than the brand issue, but I haven't had any problems with like quality of fabric, with fit. Everything has always fit true to size and been really fantastic once I got it on. So look how cute this is in the back. Again, really fun details. I believe this comes in a top option as well. And they have just little things about this brand as well that I really, really like. Like in particular for this dress, they've got the little elastic around the back here. And when you're doing an open back, it's really nice to have something that's stretchy and not something that cuts into your skin where it's gonna give you that kind of muffin top look. So there's just thoughtful details, I feel like, about the design of this. Same thing as this with the free assembly. I believe some select stores carry a few items that are Scoop brand, but some stores don't carry it at all, I believe, and also they don't have quite the selection. So this is another one that you're really getting a better selection online. And I have the medium on in this one, not maternity specific, but it is a great bump friendly option. This is a really fun skirt option also from my most recent order. This actually came with, or doesn't come with, but you can purchase the matching top to this, but it is more of like a cropped fit. So since I'm currently pregnant, I didn't really see much need for having a crop top, but it does fit really nicely with this skirt. You can pull the skirt up high-waisted and wear the top with it. It's very cute and it will not show your skin unless you want it to, based on how much you pull up or pull down the skirt, because this is elastic. But I actually paired this with a little tank that's free assembly, so I'll link that one for you too. But again, really good quality. This is eyelet, so cute on. Love the length of this, and the pink color is just gorgeous. And I have the medium in this one too. I mentioned this earlier, but when I am looking specifically for accessories, so sunglasses, handbags, scarves, I have done lots of shoes. If I'm looking for shoes, the first place I'm looking is I am typing in Scoop shoes on that search bar at Walmart, and they always have fantastic options. So this is a little bag that I just got recently that is Scoop brand. Look how cute this is. Does this not look so expensive, you guys? I feel like this looks like a little mini designer bag. It does come with a little crossbody strap that you can do as well. Makes a super cute event bag or vacation bag. The last brand I want to share with you for this video is Time and Tru. That's TRU. Now this is kind of the classic Walmart brand. This is the one that you see most frequently in stores. I think the majority of what they carry in stores is Time and Tru brand. The thing with Time and Tru is that it can be hit or miss, but also you still have a little bit better selection, and store to store, you never know what's gonna be in stock, what exactly they're going to carry. And so I still like to do my shopping for all the fashion online, but this is a brand that you can see some of these items in store as well and actually touch them and try them on there. So I'll show you a couple of my favorites. The thing about Time and Tru brand is I kind of just search through online. I will still use that as a search term really frequently online, but I kind of just filter through them as I would shopping any other website. Some of the things you can tell even by the photos online look really adorable, and some of the things maybe don't look quite as great. So this one's a little bit more hit or miss to me, but I've got lots of things that I love that are Time and Tru. So this is from also my most recent haul. They have a ton of great graphic tees right now. The quality on these is really incredible. So this is a super soft tee. I love the fit of this. It kind of has a naturally oversized fit. Now, since I'm pregnant, I did size up to, I believe, the large. Let me double check. Yes, I sized up to the large in this one because I really wanted a lot of extra room. And when it comes to a graphic tee, I like to have some extra room anyways, even when I'm not pregnant, so that I can tuck it in or style it with jacket or have lots of different styling options. So this might be one you want to size up in, but I thought the design on this was really cute. It is placed really well. And that's something you kind of have to look out for sometimes with more affordable versions of graphic tees. Sometimes they'll be a little bit off kilter or something. These are really made very well, and I think are incredible for the price. I believe these are around the $10 range. I will tell you, I actually use Time and Tru brand a lot for fall and winter items too. They have a ton of great sweaters and button-down shirts and this kind of thing, little jackets, like fleece things. They carry lots of great ones of those in fall and winter, and I've never had a problem with quality on those either. So coming into fall, this is going to be a great option. Shackets or shirt jackets are really, really popular this fall. I've been seeing them tons in department stores, boutiques, lots of more expensive places. And this is actually one of like the most comfortable ones I've ever touched. In fact, my 1-year-old was carrying this around for weeks and calling it a blanket and like laying on it. It is super soft. So this is fleece all the way through. It's fleece on the inside, and then it's this kind of like Sherpa fleece on the outside, faux Sherpa. But this is button down. This could definitely function as an outerwear piece. And I got the medium in this one, but you can get your true size in this. And this is another great brand just to keep an eye on. They do have great shoes and stuff in Time and True brand as well. That's it for my top 3 favorite brands at Walmart. Those are the search items that I usually use when I'm doing an online search, and I have had great success with them. So hopefully that kind of helps you as you're doing some budget-friendly shopping as well. I will definitely link all my favorites that I talked about in the video today. Make sure you keep an eye out. We've got lots of fall content, some teacher outfits, that kind of thing, coming in August and September, and Walmart will be playing a prominent role in all of those as well. You need a little bit more inspiration for some Walmart fashion. So we will see you next time.